So a minute ago, I was sitting in the living room with my two girls, about to read them a story before I came in and recorded this video. We sat down and she wanted to sit on my lap and kicked her feet to get up into my lap and threw her skull into my mouth. And, you know, this is what, what resulted. So I'm not going to have you look at that for much longer, but just a little public service announcement that, you know, sometimes things don't go the way that you think they're going to go, and that's okay. One thing that I've been trying to do recently is think about how the future version of myself, who's already done all the things that I want to do and knows exactly how things work out, if that person were able to transport back to right now and live in this moment, how would they act and how would that future version of Andrew handle a situation? And this has been really helpful for me over the last couple of weeks to just be able to roll with the punches. You know, sometimes things just don't work out. Things are frustrating. Things are hard, but we all just are working with what we got, you know? So this is just your public service announcement that sometimes it's okay for things to not be okay.